Very good. Galing. Pa. Very good. Little by little hands. Hinti na lang. Sunod ikaw na magsubo.
Ang sabi sa verse 7, such people should not expect to receive anything from the Lord. So pag ikaw pa rin nanalangin at hindi ka naniniwala, may verse 7. Talagang hindi ko nakita sa laki. Hindi na nakita. But ang sabi, such people should not expect to receive anything from the Lord. Sayang ang prayer. Kung bibitawan mo nang walang maniniwala, be happy. Pero ang totoo, mas madalas pang maburi kaysa mag-pray. Kapag may problema sa pera, nag-aalala agad.
Ay! Put more. Dali. Put more. Use the spoon. Kakaunti pa. More.